A popular snack chain is under fire. Potato Corner is accused of taking franchisees' location ideas and then leaving them out of the deal. On social media, users say the company collects proposals from aspiring franchisees but ignores them. Applicants report submitting detailed plans or renewal requests and receiving no response. Later, a company-owned store opens in the same spot, leaving the franchisees empty-handed. One user posts, "Never again to Potato Corner," while others call the practice sketchy. They note the company benefits while applicants lose. Potato Corner has responded, saying it is conducting an internal investigation to address these concerns properly. A popular snack chain is under fire. Potato
Ganun naman lagi. Puro investigation, further investigation, internal investigation, or anything that you have to investigate. Dapat inisip nyo pa lang yan from the start na ganyan talaga ang kalakaran ng mga balasubas ng mga taga Potato Corner. Na hinaharang nila yung renewal ng mga nagpaprangkisa sa inyong tindahan. Tapos malaman-laman nila na sila pala ang mag-continue ng business. Kasi nalalaman nila na tumataas ang sales traffic ng tindahan. Gaya nga na sinabi ni Kaalaman. Ito sabi nga ng nag-share, nag-post. Please read sa mga nagpa-franchise ng Potato Corner. Kaya pala kahit anong bigay namin ng location sa franchise, pero decline. Viral ang pangungupal ng Potato Corner sa mga di umano aspiring at current franchisee nila, kung saan maraming statement na naglalabasan sa threads na sinasabing pag nakita nilang potential high traffic at sales ang location na ina-apply ng isang franchise aspiree, ay susulutin nila ito. Magtatayo sila ng company-owned sa store at sila ang magmamanage. Kung current franchise owner ka naman at sa kasalukuyan ay malakas ang sales sa location mo ay di ka na biglang ipagre-renew ka ng franchise at sila na mismo ang magpapatayo ng bagong store at magmamanage sa location na hindi ka pagre-renewhan. May damage control naman dito ang Potato Corner. At sinabing our team has immediately reached out privately to the individuals who raised the issue to have a better understanding of their